this is a little awkward because I don't usually do videos of installs or anything, but I guess I'd give it a shot. I'm installing this dieselgeek short throw shifter. Mine's having some wobble when you release the throttle, and the bushes are kind of worn, so go ahead and try to get it on video. Right there. If you're stock, well, yours will be a little different, but you gotta remove the intake, and should have enough clearance, but I'll take the battery tray and battery just to make the video. So I got my battery out. To remove the tray, you gotta remove this one. This one, and my intake is held by the other one. Left the bracket here just so I don't lose it. I'm gonna try to do it with the intake in. It's hard to do this with one hand. Wiggle it out. And there it is. Some of these have this one, some of them don't. It's for the secondary air injection. So you take it off from here, take off this clip. Once you have it off, you pull these back right here. Pull it out. There's this other one. And then you remove this 13mm. I already got it loose a little bit. Remove this clip. I had to pause the video because it was kind of hard in there. So this clip goes in there. This comes out right here. You can see. So yours might be stuck a little bit too, so you just wiggle it off. It's out. This one's out as well. Don't lose anything in case you want to reuse it, or go back to stock. So next we install this. As you can see, it's keyed right there. Double tooth. Should be double tooth on this too, right there. Kit comes with a new one. You might have to wiggle yours in and out. Put the 13mm back in. Make sure it's snug when you tighten it down. Don't overdo it because you might break the rod, and then you're in trouble. We'll write down the torque spec for this. So there's that. So next we put this in there. As you can see, put the other bushing in there first, right here. Leave this other one in here, just makes it easier, and then put this like that. So slide it in, wiggle it in there. Like that. Then put the clip in here. That. Slide the next piece in. That's it. Now then, I'll go ahead and tighten that down. So I kind of needed both my hands to move it and lock it. Basically, you move it up and down, and you lock it in place, as you can see. Now, it doesn't really move. And this is in the position about 10 o'clock. You see now I just popped it out. So now it moves up and down. And you can shift it. So go ahead and lock it again, and then I'll show you how to line it in the inside, and then you can adjust it. This popped off. You see right there the adjustment. The line up tool. So once you have your adjustments, you want to pull these up, make them nice and tight. Then tighten all these up. Do the first two. Then go ahead and drive it and see how it fits all shifted to the gears, and then see if it's all adjusted correctly. If not, adjust it some more. We'll go ahead and post a video of how good it is. Just make sure you put everything back together. Got it all back together. Interior as well. Time to go for a drive and see how it drives and shifts.